Between the ages of about 21 to 30, I used to go to my Kung Fu Academy at 5 p.m. and train until about 9 p.m. And I did that Monday to Friday, and then I'd go again on Saturday morning for a few hours. And it used to drive my family crazy because whenever we had a family dinner, I would always be telling them that I could be there after 9. And I did that because my Kung Fu teacher told me that if I wanted to be good at Kung Fu or anything, that I'd have to accept being unpopular because I'll have to work when other people are enjoying themselves. And I'm really happy that I did that in my 20s when I had the time and the energy for it, because it built me into the person that I am now. And it created a work ethic, it taught me a lot of valuable skills. And I've got a wife and a kid now, and I run a business. There's just no way that I could do that now. There's no way that my life could support that, or my relationships. And so if you're in your 20s, when you don't have the kind of commitments that you have when you're in your 40s, like me, really double down on learning and getting some life skills that are going to be valuable for you for the rest of your life, because you won't have the opportunity to do it forever.